So far, we have been discussing many functions of Google Sheets. And during that period, we discussed very important features and functions of Google Sheets. So today, I am going to discuss five important functions of Google Sheet. So not wasting time on this discussion. Let's move to our Google Sheet. So we are here in the Google Sheet, and I have five tabs to perform different tasks using like array formula, if else if, it means nested if, and copying data through array formula plus filter function and import range. So how to do this? So first we start with the array formula. So the array formula, because every column, the complete column is an array. Like if I say the range, this is an array, this is also an array. So over here, from this range to this range diagonally, if you look, this is the array, double dimensional array. So there are multiple columns, multiple rows. What I want to add the values of the columns, means the sum of the marks of the subjects, and from uh, right from Sushil to Rama Rathore. So how to do it in one go? What I'm going to do here, I'll apply array formula. So the array formula requires the array, because array already attached it with. So how to do this? So very simple. What should you do? Simply apply equal, then this time I'm going to take the ranges, like because we have to sum up from range 4 to row 12. So I am going to do that. So B4 colon B12, correct, and C4 column C12 plus D4 colon D12 plus E4 column E12 plus F4 colon F12. So if you press enter, it will sum up the single row. Let's see what happens. Simply press enter key. So it gives 308. So there are two ways to calculate the sum of the entire sheet. First, you copy this formula and paste it in all the rows of the column, or you can apply array formula. So what should I do? Click here in the beginning of the formula and simply press shift, control and enter. So see the miracle of array formula function. If you just enter the key, the entire sheet is the G column of the entire sheet is summed up. See here. So this way array formula works. Now next formula is if else if. So we move to our second sheet, if else if. So over here we have to find out the commission. What commission? If the sales, which is in column B, is above and equals to 35,000, the commission should be calculated as 12% of the sales. If this is 25,000, then the commission should be 12%. And if 20,000, this is 20,000 actually. 15% 35 and 12% are 20, and here 10%. I have to delete this. Okay, and below it, no commission. So let's try this using if else if. So how to do this? So how to apply a function, nested if function? So I'll just type equal sign, then apply simple if, then column this, if greater than 35,000, if this, then the commission will be B4 into 15 upon 100. If not, then again apply the condition if B4 greater than equals to 25,000, then the commission is 12%. 12%. Else, I'm sorry, else if B4 greater than 20,000, then commission is 10%. Else if okay, below 20,000 the commission is, so I am going to give here B4 into 5 upon 100. 1, 2, 3, that's it, and press enter key. Okay, so this is what the condition is, the nested condition is. So if I apply, double click here to see this, it automatically calculates the commission on the basis of the sales. So this is called if and nested if. Let's move to another feature, function, copy through array formula. So this is a sheet, and I'm going to copy from is equal to enter, control shift and enter, or array formula, and over here I am going to take the data from, suppose, this, and close, press enter. So see here, the entire data is fetched from the sheet, the first sheet. This is just because of, okay. So this is your third. Now what I want to filter those students whose marks are above 75, whose marks are above 75 in English, and or maybe computer science and chemistry, or physics and chemistry. So I'm going to filter. So how to filter this? Apply is equal to filter. The range is here. From this sheet, comma, condition is greater than equals to 75, and chemistry greater than equals to 75. And now close the parenthesis. Let's see what happens. So here, see, all those students whose marks in chemistry are above 75 and physics are above 75. So see here, physics 75, chemistry 75. So this is your filter. If I change a bit, like if I give 80% here and 80% here, let's see what happens. So only one student there, because physics 80 and chemistry 80. So this way we can apply the filter function. The next function is import range. So to apply import range, we are intending to fetch the data from different spreadsheet, but it should be in the same account or in the same drive. So let me open the sheet to import the data. What I'm going to do here, mm, I'm taking the sheet. I'm taking the sheet from, no, this is the big sheet. So, okay, I take the data from this sheet. Okay, so to import data from different sheet, we'll have to, as I told you, that we have to take the URL and the range which you want to copy. So the URL of this is this. So I am just copying it and import range, then URL. This is the URL, and what is the range? So range should be in the quotes. So this is A1 to G41. A1 to G41 and close the quotes and close the parenthesis. Yes, one thing I wanted to tell you that only this is the ID which is sufficient to fetch the data. So I am deleting all this, and from here to here I am going to delete this, and now simply press enter. Let's see what happens. So it is now loading and it is showing a ref error. No problem. If such kind of error appears, it means it is asking for the reference. So click on this. When mouse over, it shows a dialog box where you will have to click allow access. So here this is a sheet. So this way we can import data from different spreadsheet. So hope you like it, and you practice it. And if you want any help regarding this, kindly write the comment in the message box or description box, because you know the your comment is really a motivation for me. So if you like and if you want to ask, kindly do write in the comment box so that I can see and reply accordingly. So this all for the day. So we'll meet in the next video with some other scenarios and the functions. Till then, bye bye.